Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am UshaBala. So let's get started into the video for makeup look. So first of all, I am using as a primer this Patanjali aloe vera gel. Take a little amount of that and apply evenly on face and neck. Okay, next I am using this Maybelline Fit Me compact powder in the shade Treble 2. Okay, apply on face and neck also. Next I am using this lip balm from Maybelline Baby Lips. Next I am using this kajal from Itex. Next I am using this eyebrow pencil from Lakme. Okay, next I am using this mascara from Blue Heaven. Okay, next I am putting a glossy bindi on my brows middle. So this is my makeup look for tops. This is very simple and cute makeup look. If you like this, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Keep smiling.